He's got a fish on. Walk this way with it. Walk this way with it. Evie, grab the net right behind me. Bring him right over here to shore and I'll take him off for you. Here, net. Here, just bring him here. Ah, he popped off. That's all right, it's all right. That's why I say just walk him over here next time, but hey, that's the catch. Get another one. Get back out there, he'll grab another one. All right, come here. I got video of that.
That was my first ever fish.
Good job.
Good. My fisherman.
Did you find the guy?
Yeah. He said Wilson Creek. He said it's a lot. It's a ways to get there.
Here, look.
Flip it over my back.
It's dry now, so just...
Flip it over my back.
Here, move your arm. There you go. Yeah, look. You know how like somebody pulls their sword in the olden days? Look, pull like that if you need it. You know what I'm talking about? Like that, and you can pull it through. Or He-Man. He-Man used to do that, but you don't know who He-Man is.
Ready? Stop.
All right. Yeah, throw it right back over there where I showed you.
Good job.
Wilson Creek. Let me add that to my spreadsheet here.
Yeah. He said it was south of Lenore. I don't think it's for the south of Grandfather.
Wilson Creek?
I remember Grandfather Mountain. It was really fun.
He's got those people up there. And I guess the kid that I had a feeling the reason why I was talking to these kids is because he was asking about what he was fishing. And they were fishing with scented. He
Oh,
said
yeah.
he caught 50 right up here in this little hole.
Because they were scented.
But he said they were scented minnow, and that's why he caught him. But that's why I told him not to, and the guy was just like, you know, like the kid.
Today they caught 50? I'm assuming they let them all go.
Yeah, he had
Yeah.
scented minnows.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You want to get down there?
I guess.
Because I've been waiting.
All right, listen. Yeah, Alan, please watch your clock. 7:45. It's 15 minutes.
Okay. Keep bopping it around. Let them have it. Do another cast. That's enough. Don't yank it out of the water that hard, because if they want to try and grab it, they might not be able to grab it. Don't go that deep, because you don't want to spook them, because they're all sitting right down there right in front of you. You almost could take another step or two backwards. Just be careful. That was a good cast. Next cast upstream again, let it come down. Or take another couple more steps to your left and cast a little, just change it up a little bit is all. I would definitely cast that upstream though, since you haven't casted it upstream yet, since you switched it out. You're trying to power it too much. There you go, that was good. Finesse, remember? Finesse is what you gotta do. Pull it through your middle finger, remember? Give it some little pops. Good cast.